What up? Big Herc 916, muscle up. And out getting my cardio in, and happened to hear about a car show right down the street from my house at Santan Hotrod and Restorations. Didn't even know this was over here until a neighbor told me about it. So I just pulled up. They got some cool cars over here on display. So we're gonna do an impromptu pull up, film some cars, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and let's take a peek. Got a little bit of everything over here. 35 Chevy. It's pretty unique. You don't see a whole lot of these on the road. Maybe at Good Guys. Old school. Got the velour interior, and looks like it's got some modern amenities in there. You can drive this for some distance. Now this Jack Chevy truck is pretty cool. Let's take a look at this. Oh yeah, they got it all hooked up. You can take this on a nice little road trip. Be interested to see what kind of gearing it has, because these big tires on it, man, you know it's got to be crazy. That's that suspension. I like the paint color though. Paint color's cool. And it's got, it actually looks like it's an LS. It's got a all fuel injected. It's got all the hoses going into the side firewall. So they hooked this up. It's a cool truck, man. Got a cool GTO over here. Got the triple carbs. Thing's clean. Body looks really straight. Let's take a peek inside. Oh yeah. Old school wood grain. All original interior. That's nice, man. The GOAT, John DeLorean. Hot rod. Oh, look at the blower on that thing. That thing looks monstrous. This is clean. It's probably another 30s car, and it's got, looks like all modern suspension on it. It's badass. Like I said, you don't see these unless you go to Hot August Nights or Good Guys. And it's got the nice red on it. He's got the Corvette. Looks like a LT up in there. Ford Deluxe. Yeah. Oh, nice interior. Nice gauges. Ford Deluxe. Right here. These are actually starting to come up on the collector's list. Remember, they used to be at the bottom of the Mopar, but now they're moving higher up on the eyesight because all the other Mopars are so expensive, man. And this one has all the sniper stuff in it. That's clean, man. Disc brakes, wheel wood. Take a peek inside. TMI interior. Oh yeah, he did it right. Clean. Got the battery in the trunk. Nice wheel woods on it. Beautiful stance. He did it right. It's a clean duster. Probably got to trim it 6 feet. Got a Nova with a big block. Seeing where the Novas are moving up on the collector list also. This one's been tastefully modified. It's got the wheel woods front and back, so they did do the suspension. Stance look like it's right, the body straight. Chrome trimming look like it's on point. Up, got the disc in the back. Nice Nova. So the Santan Hot Rod, man, looks like they really get down. They do paint and body and mechanical work. So it's a one-stop shop. They also do wiring, so you can get your car fully wired here and make it happen, man. I talked to one of the guys that works here. They seem pretty cool. The people here are very friendly. The shop looks like it's in order, and I might have to holler at these guys about some work in the future. I will definitely keep them in mind when it comes time for me to do some work on my other cars. I got this box Nova right here. This thing is cool. I've always liked these box Novas, man. They're badass. This one's got the LS up in it. I don't know if it's sitting on a stock chassis or not. Look like it's got the subframe connectors. Then you got the candy truck up top, and that paint is nasty, you guys. Look at that paint. Wow. That thing is clean. Yeah, that's clean. You can see underneath the detailed chassis down there. Badass. So we got this clean Chrysler up here, 300. And man, for those who don't know, this is where the 300 originally came from. And this is a beautiful car. Let's look at the lines on this thing. Clean, man. And as far as interior, classy. I mean, you don't need to do nothing today. You just get in it and cruise, man. Put the top down and enjoy. Beautiful car, man. Beautiful lines. Chrysler 300. Can't go wrong with a drop top Chrysler. Then you got the 61 right here. This thing is badass. For you Apollo fans, let me go get a peek under the hood. Oh yeah, this is all original too, man. Look at that. Super clean, man. Beautiful car. The chrome work on this car is just amazing, man. Get a peek inside. Oh man. And it's a 4-speed? Wow. Clean.
It's a 4-speed?
Yeah. Ah, man. Badass. That's a wrap. A lot of cool classics out here. A lot of cool people, man. Been hanging out. Had me a hamburger and a hot dog. I'm about to call it a day. Head back to the house. But I just want to share this car show with you that I popped up on a fluke. And yeah, man. Out here at Santan Hot Rod Restoration. Yeah, man. Big Herc 916, Muscleup. Hit that subscribe button. Officially, I only got one real spanking my entire life. My mom did the best a 14-year-old could do, raising me with love and instilling values that will last a lifetime. I was a straight A student and lived to make her happy. So how did I go astray? A horrible stepdad that stole my self-worth and invoked fear turned me into a person that I struggled to overcome. From skateboarding to selling drugs, gang banging in juvenile hall, I got caught the same way many young promising men get caught up. I struggled to find my identity, getting mixed up in shootouts, crime, and the adult entertainment industry. This roller coaster continued as I juggled college, hustling, and Hollywood, eventually catching a federal bank robbery case. I found redemption in prison while serving a 120-month federal sentence and came out a man on a mission. I became a social media influencer with over 500 million views on YouTube and a life coach mentoring people all over the world. This is my journey against all odds.